Hello, in today's video we shall be showing the infrastructure upgrade using Nomad. And what happens in this scenario is we have one Nomad server and two clients which are running the application, and when one client is killed off, the other client takes over, which takes over the Nomad service. So let us take a look at how our script is structured. So as you can see, when we already have our nodes provisioned, then the playbook is directly run on the nodes. Otherwise, we first instantiate the AWS instances and then run the playbooks to install Nomad services on them. Now I'm going to be running my script. And the first playbook is now installing Python on the 3 nodes, and now we've moved on to installing the other needed packages. And Nomad 1 will be our server, and Nomad 2 and 3 will be our clients. And we can see that our script is done running. And now let's go into our machine and see how it has been allocated. So our Nomad 1 will be acting as the server, and as you can see, Nomad 2 and 3 will be the clients with the corresponding IDs here. Now I'm going to start and run the Nomad service on these nodes. Before that, let's take a look at how the service.nomad is structured. And this is the image that we'll be pulling for checkbox. And I'm going to be running the service. And it has been completed. Now let's see the status of our checkbox. And as you can see, the status is running, and this is the current ID. Check the status of this ID. So as you can see, it's currently the current client is 9A2F to CAO. Nomad node status, and this corresponds to our Nomad 2. So now let's kill this node and then see what happens. Ideally, Nomad 3 should take over. And before we decide which node to kill, since it's currently running on Nomad 2, we know that the IP address of Nomad 2 is 34.216.66.120. So let's go ahead and stop the instance. Yes. So it would take about a minute to stop. And now let's check the status. And as you can see, since we have powered down the EC2 instance, Nomad 2 status is down. And now let's check the status of our checkbox. And it is currently pending. It has to be transferring the service onto node 3. Let's keep trying. This would take about a minute. I think now it should be back up. And as you can see, now it is back to running. However, now the node ID that it shows is 97145807. Now let's see which node that is. And as we can see from here, it is Nomad 3. And so there we go. We have demonstrated how when one of the clients goes down, the Nomad server is now transfers it to the other one, and that has been demonstrated in this video. Thank you for watching, and please reach out if you have any questions.